Hello, this is Crafty Ria and welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you found me. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm glad you're back. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did. Just click that subscribe button. Actually, after watching this video, you're going to want to click that subscribe button. Today, I am here to announce my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So exciting. First, I want to give a quick shout out to Tracy and Bill over at Mindless Crafting, and also to Carrie, who put the bug in their ear that my channel was very close to 1,000 subscribers. On Tuesday, they announced it on their live, and it sent me over the edge, over 1,000 subscribers. So thank you everyone that came over from Tracy and Bill's channel and clicked the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And a special thanks to Tracy and Bill and Carrie. I really appreciate it more than you could ever imagine. It was so exciting. I was jumping up and down and so exciting. I even had tears in my eyes. It was wonderful. Very, very fun day. So I put together this giveaway just to show my appreciation to all of my subscribers. So to enter the giveaway, there's a few rules that we'll get out of the way. First of all, you must be 18 years of age or older. You must have a United States mailing address. I'll be sending it in this big priority envelope, and it would be very expensive to ship it overseas. However, I know I have several subscribers that are overseas, and if you are, I want to include a little something for you as well. If you are international, please put the word international in the comments, and I will draw a special, I will do one special drawing for my international viewers and send you, it would be just something in an envelope, a handmade card by me with a few extra goodies inside. And the big giveaway will be for US only due to shipping costs. So you must be 18 years of age of older, live in the United States, or have a US shipping address, and be a subscriber to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. So I'm going to show you what's in this package. It's very exciting. I went ahead and put together a package of some of my favorite things that I use on my channel, I craft with a lot, and I thought that you might like to have as well, so you can craft along with me. So let's go ahead and get started with what is in this great package. First, I will start with these envelopes. There's a set of 8 envelopes in all these different colors. These are the ones I use very frequently. They measure 4 inches, or the card inside would measure 4 inches by 5.5, and each envelope has a matching piece of cardstock with it. So you'll get 8 of these envelopes. I also used these same envelopes in my envelope flip book. If you wanted to look at that, you can use them for that as well. Then I have a set of the 5x7 card bases that I use in a lot of my videos. There's 7 of these and all these different colors, and they are a nice textured cardstock, and they are 5x7, and there would be the envelopes to go with that. Then I have paper. So I have some of these foil sheets in silver and gold. And then I have some 6x6 papers. I have, first of all, I will show you the mulberry paper. This is the paper that you can use and tear apart, get it wet and tear it apart. And we have it in all of these great colors. I did an assortment of what I had. I think there's 10 different ones here. So you get 10 6x6 sheets of mulberry paper. And then I have 10 6x6 sheets of glitter paper. That is my favorite. We have the red, or it's kind of a pinkish red. The orange, it's hard to see in the light here. Yellow. We have two different greens. This beautiful blue. We have a light blue. Two different shades of pink and a silver. So you will get all of that. And then, let's see, what's one of my other favorite things? How about some ribbon? I like ribbon. So we have this package of friend ribbon. This is by Cloud9 Designs. I have some really pretty gold metallic Christmas ribbon and this Christmas train ribbon. This beautiful purple gold ribbon that I have been hoarding. I have a big roll of it. I have been hoarding it and I am afraid to use it because it's too pretty. But I thought I would share that with you because purple is my favorite color and I like it because it's blingy and pretty. And then some pearls, mini pearls. And let me see what else I have. I have a packet of these pretty flowers in this nice little container. I have more ribbons. There's an assortment of satin ribbon. I don't remember how many pieces, 5 or 6 pieces. And then this really pretty light blue ribbon. And then, let's see, we've got some more flowers. We have these hibiscus flowers. They come in 2 different shades of pink. We have these tickets. They have a bunch of different cute little sentiments on them. They would go great on the front of a card. And then one of my other favorite things is bling. So I have a big baggie of bling. I have these 2 sheets of bling. These are self-adhesive and you can cut them apart. And this little packet of little mini, I think they're flowers of bling. They would be great in a shaker card. And some sheets of bling. Let me see if I can get them all out. I have 4 sheets of bling. I have just the clear silver bling, pink, and 2 different sizes of the multicolored bling. And then we have some sheets of stickers. We have this from K & Company. Those are really pretty. Have some gold letters, and it also comes with a sheet of silver alphabet, and they are sort of 3-dimensional. They're a little bit raised. And then we have these beautiful butterflies. You have probably seen me use those on several projects. And then, of course, Christmas stickers. So that is it for now. I hope you enjoy this package. I hope you like it. I'm very excited about it. Please do leave a comment below. It can say anything you want. Remember, if you are international, just please put the word international and I'll do a separate drawing for you. Thank you again so much, everybody, for watching, supporting my channel, leaving all of the kind comments that you do. There'll be plenty more videos to come. And like I said, if you haven't hit subscribe yet, you're going to want to after this video. And then click on that bell so you know whenever I upload a new video. This video is going up on Wednesday, August 12th. I will keep the giveaway open until Wednesday, the 19th of August at 5 p.m. Eastern. And that evening after work, I will draw my winner. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. I appreciate all of you. Please do click that subscribe button, leave me a comment, give this a thumbs up. And I really look forward to having 1,000 more subscribers and 1,000 more videos for you guys. Thanks so much. And until the next time, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.